Dear students, now answer me the following question. What is your age? What is the total population of Tamil Nadu? Your answers will be in the form of numbers. Yes, our first chapter is numbers. What are numbers? Values expressed in digits are called numbers. Example 999, 4567, 23,456. Now let us have a small recap of successor and predecessor. What is successor? Successor is plus 1. When 1 is added to a number, we get its successor. What is predecessor? When 1 is subtracted from a number, we get its predecessor. Now let us have a recap of greatest number and smallest number. The greatest one-digit number is 9. When we add 1 to it, you'll get the smallest two-digit number 10. The greatest two-digit number is 99. When we add 1 to it, you'll get the smallest three-digit number 100. The greatest three-digit number is 999. When we add 1 to it, we'll get the smallest four-digit number, which is 1000. What is the greatest four-digit number? The greatest four-digit number is 9999. When we add 1 to it, you'll get the smallest five-digit number, which is 10,000. What is the greatest five-digit number? The greatest five-digit number is 99,999. So when we add 1 to it, you'll get the smallest six-digit number, which is 1 lakh. Now tell me, what is the greatest six-digit number? The greatest six-digit number is 9,99,999. When we add 1 to it, you'll get the answer as 10 lakhs, which is the smallest seven-digit number. The greatest seven-digit number is 99 lakhs 99,999. When we add 1 to it, you'll get the smallest eight-digit number, which is 1 crore. Place value chart. Place value chart is used to read and write large numbers using commas. In this chapter, we are going to see two number systems. The first one is Indian number system. There are four periods under Indian number system, namely ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Under ones period, we have three places. They are ones, tens and hundreds. Under thousand period, we have two places. They are thousand and 10,000. Under lakhs period, there are two places, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Under crores period, the places are crores, 10 crores, 100 crores, 1000 crores and so on. The second one is international number system. In this system, we have four periods, namely ones, thousands, millions and billions. Under ones period, we have three places, namely ones, tens and hundreds. Under thousand period, we have thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. Under million period, we have three places, namely million, 10 million and 100 million. The fourth period is billions. Under billions, we have billion and 10 billion. Use of commas. We put the commas after every period from right to left. The commas are used to read the large numbers. Now let us solve sum number 8 from exercise 1.1. So what is the sum? Write the largest six-digit number and put the commas in Indian system as well as in international system. Solution. The largest six-digit number is 6 nines, that is 999999. Let us place the comma under Indian system. We'll start from the right corner. The first three digit belongs to ones period. So place the first comma there. And the next two digit belongs to thousand period. So place the second comma there. And the remaining digit belongs to lakhs period. Now let us read the number 9,99,999. Now we'll place the comma in international system. Again we'll start from the right corner. The first three digits belongs to ones period and the next three belongs to thousand period. Now let us read the number 999,999. Finding face value and place value of the digits in a given number. Now let us see about face value. Face value of a digit is nothing but the digit itself. Example, the face value of 4 in 40,56,789 is 4. Now let us have a recap of place value. What is place value of a digit? The place value of a digit is the product of the digit with its place. Example, the place value of 3 in 94 lakhs 43,810 is nothing but 3 along with its place. That is 3 is in 1000 place. So 3 into 1000 which is 3000. Students, you would have learnt about expanded form in your previous class. Now let us see what is expanded form. Expanding a number to show the value of each digit is expanded form.